Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the exciting world of laptop repair. Specifically, we'll tackle the keyboard repair of an HP Pavilion DV5 laptop that's been experiencing some rather annoying issues, so without further ado, let's get started. The laptop in question is having trouble with several keys, including numbers. This can be really frustrating, especially when trying to perform important tasks. After thorough investigation, we identified two possible solutions. First, we attempted to train the keyboard's database as troubleshooting step, but unfortunately, the results weren't as expected. If we observe, when trying to type a password, the numbers simply aren't detected, and some letters don't work either. It seems that this time, trimming the bus isn't the magical solution. So, what's the right solution for this case? To address these issues, we'll need to take more drastic measures. We're going to replace the keyboard entirely, but before beginning, it's crucial to power off the laptop to avoid any uses during the process. Let's go through the steps for this repair. Careful, flip the laptop and remove the battery. This will allow you to safely access the laptop's interior. Now, we see there are some screws we need to remove to dismantle the cover. Here's one, another behind this small cover. We loosen these screws without. Once the screws are loosened, we remove the cover and uncover another keyboard screw located in this area. Now, it's time to get rid of the additional screw. With that done, we flip the laptop again and proceed to gently open the keyboard. Once the keyboard is separated from the laptop, we lift the bus lock to release it. And finally, we can remove the damaged keyboard. Now, it's time to introduce the hero, the new keyboard. With extreme caution, let's ensure we connect it properly, following the same pattern as the previous keyboard. Let's make sure it fits snugly with not loose movement. Once the new keyboard is in place, apply the pressure to ensure it's securely fastened. With the trickiest part done, it is time to reassemble the laptop, reconnect the keyboard, and here comes the exciting moment. Power on the laptop and verify that the new keyboard works perfect. Touch all keys and ensure that both numbers and letters are functionally as they should. And there you have it, dear viewer. We successfully replaced the faulty keyboard in our HP Pavilion DV5 laptop. If this video has been helpful, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful content like this. Remember, your support is what keeps this channel going. Thank you for joining us on this repair adventure and see you in the next video.